Dust motes dancing in the window light. Another morning comes, the city sprawls beneath a hazy sky, a restless distant hum. My boots are worn from endless walks across these paved overlands, but a whisper pulls me back to where the tall pines stand. A longing deep inside my bones for soil beneath my feet, for simple comforts, honest toil, and voices oh so sweet. The map I trace with a weathered thumb across a faded crease points toward a quiet comfort where my weary spirit finds release. And though the miles stretch out so far, a journey I must make, I feel the stirring of the earth for goodness gracious sake. The gentle breeze will carry me beyond the noisy street.